The Medley Sokoler team and RE/MAX Properties East are proud to present another great Louisville area and southern Indiana home. Welcome to 1015 Assembly Road in the Capitol Hills subdivision in Jeffersonville, Indiana. This is a bank foreclosure, but in very good condition, and it would make a great investor property, a first-time buyer's home, or a handyman project. This ranch has 3 bedrooms, 1 bath. There's a large eat-in kitchen with plenty of room to spread out and cook. Also in this home, a good-sized living room. And it also has a laundry room. It's a bonus. And outside, a large fenced-in backyard and storage shed. To see 1015 Assembly Road in the Capitol Hills subdivision in Jeffersonville, Indiana, simply call the Medley Sokoler team at area code 502-992-4203. I'm Bob Sokoler, the Medley Sokoler team, RE/MAX Properties East.